Kelra, ano na naman to? Tao ka pa ba o isang tunay na halimaw na?
Kong and the rest of Vonic. And that's so down!
Wow.
The rest of Vonic. And that's so down!
Whoa, hey.
That's so down! For the second time this season, the God in the gold lane, not with the spear of destruction, but the steep spear of destiny.
Akala natin, nakita na natin yung best game sa laban ng Rora at TLPH, pero hindi pa pala. Game 3 na to ng laban ng Twisted Minds sa Onyx PH. Lamang ang Twisted Minds dito, pero tignan nyo naman yung gagawin ni Kelra.
Strike! Time to use the AOG. Here comes Kelra! SOD! And that is 2 down for Twisted Minds.
Sa isang SOD lang, nabawi nila yung kalamangan. Ibang level na talaga ang macro mechanics ni Kelra. Yung dinadali yung Twisted Minds sa split push, tapos papasok na lang siya gamit ang SOD.
So, to the... Sean is able to flick around, but Kelra is gonna be able to finish him off.
Tignan nyo yung gagawin dito ni Kelra. Babasag muna siya ng inhibitor turret sa taas bago siya sumama sa teamfight.
It's a retribution battle, but can they get away? Kelra is split pushing up top.
SOD.
He throws the SOD. It will land. He will join. Nosha and Kaloy were left behind, and that's 1 down for Twisted. Kaloy jumps away, and little by little, King Kong found Senso.
Akala mo sa Onyx PH na to eh. At mahuhuli dito ni Lansu si King Kong.
Thorn Rose committed. Lansu misses the stun. Look at King Kong dancing after the base, but Lansu predicting the final slot.
Onyx, they have an answer, but is it gonna be enough though?
Oh, Sensui's gonna get caught out of the mid. Heavy spin, he gets pinned down! Sensui saves himself, and he might have saved the game, but Kelra finds Lansu. Kaloy misses the AOG. Final slap by Lansu to stop the fight for Kirk as Kirk gets taken down. Twisted are doing it!
Grabe, Twisted Minds, sumasabay talaga. Akala nyo endable na, hindi pa rin. Ito na yung makapigil hininga na depensa ni Kelra sa ni Super Prince.
No one expected Sensui coming back in. Super Prince clears out the minion wave. Kelra with a double stun, but he finally gets taken out.
In the nick of time, and beautiful effort from Super Prince and Kelra to clear those minion waves.
So weird.
King Kong gets taunted by Kaloy. Minion wave as well. Lansu still alive with a final slash to potentially give more time for Twisted Minds to finally finish it off. Nosha able to free hit. Brusco holding on. Brusco gets taken out. No minion waves again just yet. Super free.
Meanwhile,
O diba sa Twisted Minds na dapat yun? At dito na gagawin ni Kelra yung mala-impactong SOD.
Out King Kong and the rest of Vonic. And that's so down! For the second time this season, the God in the gold lane, not with the spear of destruction, but the steep spear of destiny in his hand.
Ouch. How many times are you allowed to do that? Kelra, come on!
this is not fair. This is not fair.
O kaya pa ba mga Lodi? Onyx PH naman ang magtatakang tapusin ng laban kaso hindi kaya.
Gion out of there, he still has immortality. King Kong with the off-angle entry. Sensui with a heavy span, and the turnaround is real as Brusco falls. Kirk will fall as well.
At dito, bibitaw na ang Onyx Philippines. Matatalo sila sa clash kaya Twisted Minds ang magwawagi.
King Kong gets taken out. Twisted Minds are winning this little by little. Sean with a kill onto Kirk. Brusco gets taken out.
Grabing laban yun. Panalo talaga dito mga fans eh. Kaya ang daming nanonood ng MPL.
Clock Tower line and plot twist completed.
Mahirap kalaban yung something na unpredictable kung ano mangyayari. Kahit ako sa sarili ko, hindi ko alam kung ano magiging drop. Ano pa kaya yung kalaban? Kaya yun siguro yung naging susi.
Huwag kayo iiyak.